In today's video, we're going to walk through Post Planner and how you can use it to build a full 30-day social content calendar without burning yourself out. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if social media planning feels like something that's always hanging over your head but never fully done, this video is for you. A lot of people don't struggle with social media because they don't care. They struggle because it feels never ending. You post something today and tomorrow you're right back at square one trying to figure out what to say next. That constant decision making is what drains energy and makes people inconsistent. Most creators and businesses build content reactively. They post when they remember, when inspiration hits, or when they feel guilty for being quiet. That approach usually leads to uneven posting, rushed captions, and long gaps where nothing goes out at all. Post Planner is designed to change that. It helps you plan content in batches, organize ideas visually, and reuse what already works so social media becomes a system instead of a daily stress point. In this video, I'll explain what Post Planner is, break down the key features, and then we'll talk through a practical, real-world way to build a full month of content in one focused planning session. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the basics and talk about what Post Planner actually is. So Post Planner is a social media content planning and scheduling tool built around one main goal: helping you stay consistent without overthinking every post. It combines content ideas, visual calendar, and scheduling into one place so you're not juggling multiple tools. Instead of starting from scratch every time you want to post, Post Planner gives you prompts, ideas, and structure. You can plan content ahead of time, see everything laid out clearly, and schedule posts so they publish automatically. This tool is commonly used by small businesses, creators, agencies, and social media managers who want to show up consistently online without turning content planning into a full-time job. It's especially helpful for people who know social media matters but don't want it consuming all their mental space. One of the core features of Post Planner is content discovery. Instead of opening a blank caption box and hoping something comes to mind, you can browse curated post ideas and prompts designed to spark engagement. These ideas help you get momentum quickly instead of overthinking. Another key feature is the visual content calendar. This is where everything comes together. You can see your entire month at a glance, move posts around, and instantly spot gaps or overloads. That visual clarity makes planning feel manageable instead of abstract. Post Planner also supports scheduling across multiple social platforms from one dashboard. This removes the need to log into each platform separately and remember to post manually. These are also content recycling tools that allow you to reuse strong posts. Instead of constantly reinventing the wheel, you can bring back content that already performs well with small tweaks. Performance Insights helps you understand which types of posts tend to resonate with your audience. Over time, this helps guide smarter planning decisions. Now let's walk through how someone actually uses Post Planner to build a full month of content in one session. The first step is deciding which platforms you're planning for. You don't need to be everywhere. Most people do better focusing on one or two platforms where their audience is most active. This keeps planning focused and realistic. Next, you decide on a posting rhythm. This doesn't need to be aggressive. For example, you might post once per day or 3 to 5 times a week. The goal here is consistency, not volume. Once that's clear, you open Post Planner. If you don't already have Post Planner, we do have a link down in the description below. Once you log in, you will go ahead and start with the content discovery. Instead of writing captions immediately, you browse post ideas that fit in your niche. These could include educational posts, opinion-based posts, engagement questions, or simple prompts that start conversations. As you find ideas that fit your brand and goals, you start dropping them into the calendar. At this stage, you're not perfecting wording, you're just filling the calendar with solid placeholders so the structure's in place. Once that month is filled, you go back through and customize. This is where you can adjust the language, add your perspective, and make sure posts actually sound like you. Because the framework already exists, this step moves so much faster than starting from scratch. After posts are written, you schedule them. Once scheduled, the calendar becomes your system. You know what's going out, when it's going out, and you don't have to think about it again until your next planning session. In one focused hour, you've gone from zero plan to a full month of content mapped out. A big part of effective social planning is balance. If every post is promotional, people are going to tune it out. If every post is motivational with no substance, engagement is going to fade. A simple mix usually works best. Educational posts help build trust and authority. Engagement posts encourage comments and interactions. Opinion or behind the scenes posts build connection and personality. Post Planner makes this easier because you can see your entire calendar at once. If everything looks repetitive, you can adjust before anything goes live. That's much harder to do when you're posting day by day. One of the biggest benefits of using Post Planner is reducing mental fatigue. Instead of thinking about social media every single day, you pretty much just think about it once a week or once per month, whatever your cadence is. That alone is going to dramatically reduce stress. Batch planning also improves quality. When you're not rushed, your posts tend to be clearer, more thoughtful, and more intentional. You're responding from strategy instead of pressure. This is especially important for creators and business owners who already juggle a lot. Social media should support your business, not drain it. Another way people use Post Planner is through smart content reuse. Most audiences don't see every single thing that you publish. That means strong content can be reused without feeling repetitive. Post Planner makes it easy to reschedule posts or slightly reword them for another cycle. Over time, this creates a content library that continues working for you instead of disappearing after one post. This is how consistency becomes sustainable long term. I want to talk about staying consistent without overposting. So consistency doesn't mean posting constantly. It means showing up reliably. Post Planner helps you avoid long gaps where nothing goes out, but it also prevents overposting that overwhelms your audience. You can see spacing clearly and adjust before problems happen. Consistency builds familiarity. Familiarity builds trust, and trust is what drives engagement and conversions over time. Now, Post Planner works best when it's part of a bigger system. It helps you plan content, but strategy still matters. Over time, you'll start to see which post types perform best and which ones don't. Those insights are going to help you refine your approach month after month. Instead of guessing what to post, you're responding to patterns. That's how social media becomes predictable instead of chaotic. Okay, now that you understand how to use Post Planner, let's talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for your workflow. One of the biggest pros of Post Planner is speed. It dramatically reduces the time it takes to plan content by giving you structure and ideas up front. Another advantage is organization. Having everything in one visual calendar removes uncertainty and makes social media feel manageable. Now, on the downside, Post Planner doesn't create your voice for you. You still need to customize posts so they actually sound natural and like you. And like any scheduling tool, it works best when paired with a clear goal, not random posting. So just some things to keep in mind when you're making your decision. Okay, now let's go over the different plans and pricing options. If you want to use our link down below, you can go ahead and start your free account here, or we can go ahead and go directly to pricing. Okay, so they've got monthly or yearly. So you can buy yearly or monthly. I'm going to go over the yearly because that's how you can get the best price possible. So they do have a free plan. You get 1 social account, 1 user, 15 scheduled posts, 3 daily posts per account, and then 100 AI credits. Then they've got the starter plan, which is $7 per month paid annually. With this, you get 3 social accounts, 1 user, 150 scheduled posts, 12 daily posts per account, and then 1,000 AI credits. Next is the growth plan, which is $37 per month paid annually. With this, you get social accounts, users, 1,000 scheduled posts, 18 daily posts per account, and 20,000 AI credits daily. And lastly is the business plan, which is $57 per month paid annually. With this, you get 25 social accounts, 5 users, 5,000 scheduled posts, 24 daily posts per account, and then 40,000 AI credits daily. Each of these plans comes with email and chat support. The cool thing is you pay for what you need, right? Depending on how many users, how many scheduled posts, depending is what your cost for the month will be. So go ahead and choose a plan that's going to best fit your current needs. Post Planner is a really strong fit if you want consistency on social media without the daily stress. It's especially useful for solo creators, small teams, and businesses that know social media matters but don't want it to consume their energy 24/7. If you enjoy posting spontaneously and don't mind making decisions daily, you may not need a planning tool, but if consistency has been a struggle, this can make a massive difference. I know social media planning can feel like a constant drain of energy, but tools like Post Planner help turn it into a repeatable process instead of a daily struggle. If you want to check out Post Planner yourself, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to breaking down software tools in a simple, honest way so you can grow your business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.